Hey, here is another affirmation system so that you would be able to integrate better and faster and stronger and easier your own value that you picked up or that you just want to try yourself out with. That is the value of purpose. So, I'm gonna say the three sentences affirmation first, and then we are gonna repeat them 3 times each. My life is guided by a clear purpose. I take actions that are aligned with my whys. Living my purpose fills my life with meaning. That makes sense. Yeah, I do this because this. Yeah, I do this because this. Yeah, I do this because this. I know why I live. Why I do things. Purpose in everything. So, my life is guided by a clear purpose. My life is guided by a clear purpose. My life is guided by a clear purpose. Humanity self-preservation. I take actions that are aligned with my whys. I take actions that are aligned with my whys. I take actions that are aligned with my why. Living my purpose fills my life with meaning. Living my purpose fills my life with purpose, with meaning. Living my purpose fills my life with meaning. Here it is. That's it. Much love and have fun.